This is the OnePlus 10T 5G, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So this first way to do that is by launching the General Settings app. In here you want to enter the dedicated apps category. That's not the one. Here it is. At the apps page, go for the default apps section, then open the browser app, and in here simply select Opera by tapping on it. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and launch it. In here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar picture, then on this gear icon. In order for you to be forwarded to the settings page, then scroll the page down for a little bit, click on the default browser section, then next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.